can't. Wait, I can't do it anymore. Oh my gosh, put it out the window!
Bro, what?
Bad bitch, don't remember. Soaking wet like the river. Icy cold like the summer. Neck blow like the wind.
Hello, y'all. Alright, so your boy we're at Wendy's right now, and I'm gonna prank him. Alright, so, as he knows, you know, my little lady came this month, and it's over with now, but he still thinks I'm on it. I made him think that on purpose. So I got a little pad here. Whee! Pad. Kind of folded up on me. Got the wrapper right here. It's nice and clean, guys, so don't judge. It's clean, it's clean. I got this fake blood. I gotta hurry up, guys. Get this done and over with, because, you know, he ain't gonna be in there that long. Open this can. Ooh. Alright, guys. Ew. Oh, okay. Ew. Oh, he's gonna be mad. Okay. I realized I didn't show you guys, but look. Ew. Okay. He's in there getting some food, so this is gonna be even more hilarious, because, you know, he's a germaphobe. And, I'm just gonna be like, man, it's bothering me, bro. My pad's bothering me. I'm gonna take it out, and I'm gonna, you know, get your boy right here. All right, I'll be back. Where you gonna get him?
What the fuck is you looking at, man?
You get your food, dude.
Yeah, I get my food. Yeah, move this shit. You want some?
What is it?
Fries. And nuggets and onions.
Yep.
What you want?
Nuggets. Thanks.
Got a sauce.
I got a sauce too.
My shirt on.
Where's your short? I didn't smoke.
I said it's straw.
Oh. You going this way?
I'm about to put my straw in my fries. Like, what the fuck? Fuck my shit up. Crazy. I'm trying to see if my dad was at work, but he wasn't.
You wasn't? God. I'm gonna have to find a bathroom, bro.
Who?
A bathroom? Something ain't
Oh,
feeling
sure.
right.
You running too. All right, why they park right here?
Oh no. It's crazy.
Should I close for sale?
Maybe.
Huh?
Maybe they're for sale. Maybe they're for, you know. I don't know. Man, this is uncomfortable, bro.
What?
Yeah, man. You're eating.
The nuggets? They're fire.
Yeah. They're fire though. They're hot. Come on, fry.
These motherfuckers fresh as hell.
Take like 3 of them.
Huh?
Take 3 of them.
3?
I gotta hurry up and find a bathroom, bro. Because this is not going.
Dr. Pepper. Yeah, Dr. Pepper is so on.
Is it good? There you go. Where's my nugget?
Huh? I have nuggets in here.
I said my nugget container.
Some net sauce.
Oh my god. I can't wait. I can't do it anymore. Oh my gosh, put it out the window!
Bro, what the fuck is this? Bro, why's my face? What the fuck did you just hit me with, bro? My motherfucking face is red.
Right here.
I can't see, bro. I cannot fucking see. What the fuck is that, bro?
I told you I needed to find the bathroom. I told you I needed to find the bathroom.
What the fuck did I gotta do with me, bro? What the fuck is that, bro? It better not be no motherfucking pad, bro. I know you didn't hit me in my face with a fucking pad, bro. Oh. I felt it, bro. It felt like a pad thing. Come on, bro.
I need to throw it out, bro.
I'm fucking eating this shit, bro.
Bad bitch, don't remember. Soaking well.
Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on. I can't see, bro.
Here.
Bro, you tell me I got blood on me, bro?
No.
Funky blood on me, bro. Bloody as hell, bro. I can't even see. It's all in my eye, bro.
Hold on, I gotta stop.
Where is we at?
Here.
Bro, where the fuck is we at, bro?
Here.
Come on, bro. What is... Come on, bro. Give me something, bro.
I just did, and you threw it out the window. Here, let me try.
Come on, bro. What the fuck is that?
A napkin.
No, that shit is wet.
It's not wet.
Come on. Bro, bro, we done, bro.
What are you talking about?
We done, bro.
What? Why?
We done, bro. Ain't no way I can be with you, bro. You smacked me in my fucking face with period bloods, pads and shit, bro.
Yeah, hey, here, come here, I'm helping you. Hey.
Look at my head, bro. Come on, bro. It's wetter. Get off me, bro.
Hey, get back in the car. You can't be doing that outside. People are going to think I messed
Bro,
with you.
look at my forehead, bro. Look, I got fucking shot, bro. Like I'm leaking, like a motherfucker popped me right here, bro. This shit stink, bro. Oh!
It's a prank. Get back in the car. Hey, it's a prank. Get back in the car.
It better be a fucking prank too.
It's
I want to see that
it's
as fuck. I want to see that
prank.
as a fucking prank, bro. I can't even see out this whole eye, bro. It's fucking swelling up, bro. It's
Look.
fucking infected and shit, bro. I can't even see out this fucking eye, bro.
Look. Blood. On the sandwich.
Look at that. That's why it's so fucking wet. Boy, it's better have been a prank too, bro. I'm telling you the truth. I promise you that.
Yeah, you can just smile.
Yeah, shot up.
Period blood, my guy.
Come on, bro. Got time for that.
It looked good on you though.
Bro, it's a prank.
Alright guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me how I did. It's probably a little lame, but it's whatever. It's something for you guys. I don't ever really get to prank him, and this is the second prank. Second. Got some in your ear too. Alright guys. Peace.